There once lived a great Zen master who was known throughout the land for his unshakable calm. People would travel for miles just to sit in his peaceful presence. But a man from a nearby village, known for his bitter temper, refused to believe it. He thought the master's serenity was just an act, and he decided he would be the one to expose him as a fraud. He journeyed to the monastery, stormed into the master's courtyard, and began to insult him. He unleashed a storm of the cruelest words he could imagine. He insulted the master's ancestors, his teachings, his appearance, and his very existence. He screamed and spat, his face red with fury, trying everything to provoke a reaction. Throughout the entire tirade, the Zen master simply sat on his cushion, listening with a patient and gentle expression. He remained perfectly still and silent. When the angry man finally ran out of words and energy, he stood panting, confused by the master's profound composure. After a long moment of silence, the Zen master looked up and asked him a simple question. "My son," he said, "if you buy a gift for someone and that person does not accept it, to whom does the gift belong?" The angry man was taken aback. "It would belong to me," he sputtered, "because I am the one who bought it." The Zen master nodded gently. "Exactly," he replied. "And so it is with your anger. You have come here and offered it to me, but I do not accept it. It is still yours. It is a burden you must carry, not me." This story reveals a profound truth about our own emotional lives. Every day, people may try to hand you their negative gifts, their anger, their frustration, their jealousy, their judgment. Often, we accept these gifts without thinking. A harsh word from a colleague, an impatient driver, an unkind comment online. We take their negativity and allow it to poison our day. But you are the gatekeeper of your own mind. You do not have to accept every package left at your door. You can see the anger, acknowledge it for what it is, and choose to leave it with the person who brought it. Their anger is their burden, not yours. Your peace is too precious to trade for a gift you never asked for.